The best way to interact with the flip is to use the pen. This end is for writing, and this end is for highlighting. A handy tip: the flip comes with two pens in case you misplace one, and if you make a mistake, you can erase with a simple swipe of your hand. Oh, and being multi-touch means up to 20 students can interact at the same time. The pen also has what we refer to as the quick palette. By holding the pen's point against the flip, after a few seconds, a panel will appear. This allows you to adjust the thickness of your pen or your highlighter, adjust the color, or you have access to quick functions such as math tools or screen capture.